Right, quick one for you, a little top tip I've just invented, I think, myself. Radiators on these, the hose, sometimes if it's not a modern one with a drain in front, it'll have the hose at the back. You can't get to it, it's a nightmare. If you get it off, you'll struggle getting it on. So what I've done, loosen the Jubilee clip, as you can see, on the bottom hose, wiggle it in a screwdriver to make a gap, and then put a little metal straw on. And as you can see, the water's just pissing out nice. I've just done a flush on it. But yeah, leave that for like half an hour. And that's it. And then you won't have to piss around trying to get that bloody bottom hose on when you can't get your hands in. You just see at the back there, ish, where it goes in. So there you go. Get yourself a 10p metal straw. Keep that in your toolbox. Never seen this done before. I was just getting desperate. I'm going out on a mini run tomorrow. I do not want to be in a position where I can't get that pipe on. So that's my cheat. Hope you like it.